That's what I love about Sundays. Sing along as the choir sways. Every verse of Amazing Grace. Then we shake the preacher's hand. Go home to our blue jeans. Have some chicken and some baked beans. Pick our backyard football teams. Not do much of anything. That's what I love about Sundays. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. If you have any requests, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to teach you and to oblige as best as I can. So let's get into this. So thanks so much for everyone who's subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe so you get notified when I come out with new tutorials and videos, okay? Alright, let's get into it. Capo on the first fret. I'll include a link to this Kaiser capo. It's the best capo around. I don't get paid a cent. I wish that I did. I don't get paid anything if you do it. So, but yeah, so buy a Kaiser capo if you don't have one. I love them. I've had it for over 15 years and I love it. Okay, so let's get into this. You're going to use standard tuning. The chords you're going to use to start the song, you're going to use C and G. That's going to be for the intro and for like all the first verse, okay? So you're going to start with C. You're just going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So that's where you switch to G, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? So then you're just going to go into C. So that's the intro, okay? So you're just going to do that same strumming pattern, but you're going to do it soft. Raymond's in a Sunday best. He's usually he's usually up to his chest. Okay, then you go in oil. That's where you go to G. In oil and grease. Then you go right back to C, okay? Go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C. Okay, then you go. There's the Martins walking in. With that mean little freckle-faced kid. Okay, then you're gonna go to who broke a window last week. That's G's on broke a window last week. Then you're gonna quickly go to B minor, okay, and you're gonna go sweet Miss Betty likes to sing out of key. So you're gonna go B minor. Sweet Miss Betty likes to sing out of key. And then you go to on key, you go to E minor, key in the pew. Pew is E minor, or sorry, A minor. Pew behind me. Okay, then you're gonna go to D. So you're gonna go straight from A minor to D. Behind me. You could probably just do that, just a single strum right there. Behind me. That's what I love about sun. Okay, so on Sundays is where you do G. Sundays. You're just gonna play the chorus a little bit louder. It's the same strumming pattern, you just play a little bit louder. That's what I love about Sundays. Sing along as the choir. So the choir is E minor. Choir sways. Alright. Every verse of Amazing. Amazing is where you do A minor. Amazing Grace. And we shake the preacher's hand. Hand is D. Kind of remember because the last letter of hand is D. And go on to our blue. Okay, blue jeans is where you go to G. Blue. Blue jeans. Have some chicken and some baked beans is where you're gonna go to E minor. Baked beans. Pick our backyard football teams. Okay, so you're going down, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. Not too much of anything. That's what I love about Sundays. So you can go to G. Sundays. Okay, so you do G for a little bit. And then you'll do D. Okay, then you're gonna go back to C. I stroll to the end of the drive. Okay, and that's how you do the verses. So I'm not gonna walk you through the second chorus because it's exactly the same chord progression. For the bridge, you're just gonna do G. All right, same strumming pattern. Then you're gonna go to E minor. And then you're gonna go to A minor. And then D. What I love about sun. So when you go, that's what I love about, you're just gonna go down, up, okay? That's what I love about Sundays. Okay, that's how you play the whole song. Super easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have any comments or requests for their songs or something. Let me know. I'm more than happy to try and oblige you guys. I really appreciate everyone who's been subscribing lately and who's been requesting songs. I'll try and get to them all as quick as I can. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys are doing well and be safe. Thanks.